Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Mercy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to check upon me. Anyway, so today I've just woken up. Let's just stop with it today. I've just woken up. I'm still in my PJs. Yeah. Do you love my PJs? I'm still in my PJs. So I've decided, you know what? I'm gonna be doing my morning skincare with you guys because most of you don't know how to layer products. And again, this is the most requested video to do. Mercy, what do you apply on your face? Because literally, I won't lie, I quite have a flawless face. As much as I have some acne that was popping up and down there, it's disappearing. But I'll be showing you the products, simple products that I use. Like, your skincare should not be complicated, guys. You should not have all these. You don't need that. So anyway, let's jump straight into this video. So the first product I use my bioperoxide. This benzoyl peroxide. I use my benzoyl peroxide to clean my face. I started using these, I think, 2 weeks ago because I started having some acne. I think you can see the marks are still in here. So I started having some acne and I started using these. This is so good, guys. If you have acne, you're suffering from acne, this one is godsend. And for my acne spots, if I want them to fade away, I'm using kojic soap. So literally, my spots, my acne is gone. So you can see the spots have remained. So if you're not using kojic soap, I don't know, because this will care your face. This will give you that flawless face that you want. So yeah, so I'll be using my kojic soap to clear all the blemishes that I have on my face. And for my acne, as I said, I'm using benzoyl peroxide, but right now I'm not using benzoyl peroxide because my acne is gone. So let's put that away. Let's use our kojic soap. So make sure that when you're rubbing your kojic soap, make sure you get it to your neck because you also want your neck to look like your face. And leave it in your face for like 1 to 2 minutes. Just depends on how your face feels. So for me, I leave it for 1 to 2 minutes sometimes, and then I literally concentrate on the problematic. I literally concentrate on the places that have literally blemishes, and yeah, so that's what my face looks like. I've just washed it up and dried it up. Kojic soap dries your face really bad. Like, yeah. For my serum, I use this niacinamide, and it has a high strength in vitamin C and also control blemishes. So like me, I have blemishes for my pimples. So this is the one that I use. Oh shit. Yeah. For 5 minutes. Then I go in with my ascorbic glucoside. This is from Ordinary also, and I use this one. This one also it's also a serum, but I kind of use it because it has a brightening serum with it and stabilizing vitamin C. I just use it. This is optional, you can skip it, but since I started using it, I can see like my marks fade literally very quickly. Like this one, I had one here, this is gone. This is the one, the remaining, and the one on my nose. So yeah, so you can skip it if you don't want to use it, but for me, I just find myself using it. Make sure you reach your vitamin C in your neck, around your neck, and also around your lips. This is how my skin looks like right now. Looks hydrated, like very, very hydrated. So after that, I wait for like 10 minutes or so, or 5 minutes, just depends how quick your products dries in, because you should let it dry heat in all completely before putting on more products in your face, because you don't want just to keep putting products in your face. So do them step by step. Your serum first, then after your serum, wait for some time until it dries up. Go in with your moisturizer or your eye cream, or you can use any other products. Like, just let them dry up. Don't just pile products in your face without letting them sit in your skin, because you have to that is the only purpose of products, like having like good skin, because you can have all these good products but you don't know how to layer them. You can have all these good products, but you just keep piling them in your skin, so they're not doing their work. So you should let your skin take in your products, observe your products until everything is all dry. Then you can go in with the next products. So the next product I use, which is optional, is my eye cream. I use my eye cream because I suffer from discoloration around my eyes, but it's fading away. So this is what I use mostly at night when I'm sleeping, because when I wake up I always have darker eyes, which I hate. So this one will help brighten at least my under eye. Just rub it in there. It has caffeine. It's from CeraVe. It's a high repair cream. This is quite good. Then I also go ahead and rub it on top, because just that's me. Yeah, it's for high cream, so I rub it all around where I have my discoloration, because of course I don't want my eyes to look darker. See? Rub all around. I don't know why people put eye cream just on the bottom. It's for around your eyes too. Around your eyes, and rubbing. I'm done rubbing in. So next I'll go in with my moisturizer, and I use Coxy Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one cream. This is what I use. I love Korean products, and the only Korean products I love is this one. I've used this for some time and it works good for me. My face is glowing, I won't lie. My face is glowing. Who does not love a glowing face? My face is glowing. And always, please, don't forget your lips. This will help with the lip discoloration. So that's how my face looks like after my products. So please, if you're putting on products, if you have these good products in your face, make sure you do them step by step, and make sure you let them sit in your face for some time before you piling another product on top of your face, because we want the products to work. That's the idea of having a morning skin, a routine. We want the products to work. You can't just have products but you just pile them in your face. Anyway, and my next product that I go in with is my sunscreen, and this is a sunscreen that I use. Who doesn't love this sunscreen? Yeah, La Roche-Posay. This is a sunscreen I use. It's 50. It's fall here. It's not that sunny, but honey, use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is not only for summer. It's for both fall and winter, and you'll thank me later. We want our face to continue to stay flawless. That is the idea of having a skincare routine. So I go in with this one, but I still want my moisturizer to just get in there, just sit. I want my moisturizer to sit. It's called sitting or baking, I don't know. So before I pile in my sunscreen, I literally need to buy another more sunscreen, because this one is almost done. I love this one. It does not leave any white cast. So if you're dark, if you're out there, your darker complexion out there, you can buy yourself this. This will not leave any marks. And this is an oily one. If you want an oily one for oily skin, if you have a normal skin like me, you can just buy any. So I have this one, and I just keep it in my face. Don't really do that much. That's what I do. And I think that's why it's almost finished, because I'm so generous with my sunscreen. Because most of the time I walk and I'm going to the gym and I don't want to burn. I'm not sure if this camera is doing justice, but this is how my skin looks like right now after all the moisturizer and everything. Guys, look how glowy it is. Look, It looks so amazing. So guys, if you're looking for products, if you're confused and you don't know products that you can use for your face, you can just go and buy these products. I'll be attaching them on my screen somewhere. Then just go buy them and then just follow my routine. If you have like a normal skin, or if you have your normal products, please just use them step by step. If you have a serum, if you have a moisturizer, if you have eye care, and also sunscreen, just use them step by step and let them sit in your skin. And if you find this video informative, or if you like this video, please comment below and also give me a thumbs up and tell me what other video you want me to do. You want me to do more about skincare products that I use or my nighttime routine? I would definitely do it. So thank you so much for the guys who subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the new followers, guys. You mean so much and I love you so much. And I see you in my next video. Bye.